Welcome to DedicatedCode.com, and this video is all about how you can able to change your VPS password, and this works on Virtualizor-based VPS. Okay, very first I will go to the services, click on my services, and after that I will open the active service which I wanted to change the password. Scroll down to the bottom, make sure that this interface might be changed but the steps remain as it is. Okay, so you can able to go to the settings option, and here you will find change password setting. Here enter the new password. So in this case you can able to see that I have entered the password and re-enter the password, and after that click on change password. Please make sure that we have to do one more step. You can see that your password has been changed successfully. Here you might think that password has been changed. The answer is no. We have to do one more steps before using this new password to log in into your system. And very first you have to stop the system. After that click on OK, and you can able to see that server has been stopped. Now it is time to restart the system. The similar steps you can able to follow for the Windows operating system, and we got the successful message VPS has been started successfully. Finally, our password has been changed successfully. You can able to use this IP address and log in into your system with the new password. Still facing any issue while changing a password, just open a support ticket. To open a support ticket, go here and click on open ticket, and from here you can able to open a ticket, and from here you can able to see the open ticket, and you can able to reply and get the answers from our support team.